Here are 10 fascinating facts about snakes. 1. They smell with their tongues. Snakes don't use their nostrils to smell. Instead, they flick their forked tongues to collect chemical particles from the air. The tongue then carries these particles to a specialized sensory area in the roof of the mouth called the Jacobson's organ, or vomeronasal organ, which tastes the surrounding environment. 2. They don't have eyelids. If you've ever felt like a snake was winning a staring contest, it's because they physically cannot blink. Instead of movable eyelids, their eyes are protected by a single transparent scale called a brill, or spectacle. This scale is shed along with the rest of their skin. 3. They are solar-powered. As ectotherms, cold-blooded animals, snakes cannot regulate their own body temperature. They rely on external heat sources to function. This is why you often see them sunbathing on rocks or roads. They need the sun's energy to digest their food and move. 4. Not all snakes lay eggs. While many people think all reptiles lay eggs, about 30% of snake species actually give birth to live young. Snakes living in colder climates often give live birth because eggs would struggle to survive the low temperatures outside the mother's body. 5. They can hear. Through their jaws, snakes lack external ears and cannot hear most airborne sounds. However, they have a small bone in their head that connects their lower jaw to their inner ear. This allows them to hear by sensing vibrations traveling through the ground, alerting them to approaching predators or prey. 6. Their skin is made of the same stuff as your fingernails. Snake scales are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and fingernails. Because their skin doesn't grow with them, they must periodically molt or shed it, often in one continuous piece, to reveal a fresh, larger layer underneath. 7. They can swallow prey, 3 times larger than their head. A snake's jaw is not unhinged, but it is incredibly flexible. The lower jaw is split into 2 halves connected by stretchy ligaments, allowing them to expand their mouth significantly. This enables some species to swallow animals as large as deer or even small crocodiles whole. 8. Some snakes can fly. There are 5 species of flying snakes, genus Chrysopelea, found in Southeast Asia. They don't truly fly, but they can glide through the air for up to 300 feet by flattening their bodies into a concave C shape, which helps them catch the wind like a parachute. 9. They have hundreds of ribs. Unlike humans, who have 24 ribs, snakes can have anywhere from 200 to 400 vertebrae in nearly as many ribs. These ribs protect their elongated internal organs and provide the structural support needed for their unique methods of slithering. 10. They live almost everywhere. There are nearly 4,000 known species of snakes found on every continent except Antarctica. They are also missing from a few specific islands, such as Ireland, Iceland, Greenland, and New Zealand.